Hey, what's up Clash friends? It's me Hafsi back with another video. So today's video I'm going to give you my Clash of Clans Gfx pack, which is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for it, just link in the description. Go and download it and let's see the preview. And yeah, pack is password protected, so you have to watch till end to get the password. So let's start.
I don't even care. I want you to listen to what I say. I love you, but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing. I love you, but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing.
And yeah, this is the video, and I hope that you'll like the Gfx pack. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get further or new Gfx pack in the future. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you later. Till then, see ya.